Put your head on my shoulder, hold me in your arms, baby. Squeeze me oh so tight, show me that you love me too.
Hi, it's 𝐸𝐿𝐾𝐸 here, and today it's another day to start making videos before my class starts. The noises. But anyways, I am going to be unboxing something that was given to me by my friend Princess, and it arrived today in my mail. It literally says love mail right here. Very cute, and it has like a sticker of, well, I'm not gonna show you my address, but this, it says like hello and citizen. It's like, that's just very cute, and it says please handle with care. Typical Princess. But yeah, my sweet friend my bestest friend here in Manila gave me a graduation gift, and I would love to thank her for everything. And I would love to thank her for everything that she's done for me. I possibly couldn't have survived like being in here for a long time without her. So yeah, she's like someone I can talk to whenever I need someone in here, besides my other friends that like I've met in my school. But yeah, she gave me this, and today we're going to unbox it because I'm excited, and I'm probably sure she's also excited to see my reaction, and I don't think she's gonna expect. I never told her that I plan to make a video, because originally we were supposed to like have like a date thing where we'll like go to a museum, and then probably like go to a cafe and journal again like we did before, which I gave her graduation gift too. So this time around she gave me my graduation gift, and well, I'm really excited. I keep saying I'm excited because I am. I'm really excited to open this up. So yeah, I guess we should get on with it. I'm giving too much information right here, so let's get on to my video.
Why do birds suddenly appear every time you are near? Just like me, they long to be close to you. Why do stars fall from the sky every time you walk by? Just like me, they long to be close to you. On the day that you were born, the angels got together and decided to create a dream come true. So they sprinkled moon dust in your hair and put a starlight in your eyes so blue. That is why all the girls in town follow you all around. Just like me, they